Now, let us understand the accounting process. The accounting process follows a systematic sequence. Step 1. Source documents. Every transaction must have supporting evidence. Examples include bills, receipts, invoices, vouchers, payment slips. These documents are called source documents. Without source documents, accounting entries should not be recorded. Step 2. Journal entry. Using source documents, transactions are first recorded in the journal. This process is known as journalizing. Step 3. Ledger accounts. After journal entries are prepared, they are transferred to ledger accounts. This process is called posting. Step 4. Trial balance. Balances from all ledger accounts are collected and summarized into a trial balance. The trial balance helps verify whether debit balances and credit balances are equal. Step 5. Financial statements. Finally, financial statements are prepared. These include profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, statement of changes in equity. The process from source documents to trial balance is generally called bookkeeping.